The Indus cities. When people became better at farming, there was enough food for everyone in the village. So many people started doing other work. They worked as potters, carpenters, teachers, priests, and so on. The villages grew and many of them became cities. Some of the earliest cities came up near the Indus River. The Indus River comes down from the Himalayas and flows through India before entering Pakistan. The first cities in the area around the Indus came up upon 4,500 years ago. These cities were a part of one of the earliest civilizations of the world, the Indus Valley Civilization. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, and Lothal were some important cities of this civilization. The Indus Valley cities were well planned. They had wide roads and covered drains. Important buildings were built on the highest land in the city. High walls were built around this area. The cities had granaries for storing grains and town halls for important meetings. The city of Mohenjo-daro had a big bathhouse that had a bathing tank quite like a swimming pool. The houses in the cities were made of bricks. They had one or two floors. The main doors of the houses opened into lanes. Many houses had a well. Every house had a kitchen and a bathroom. It had a bin from which cleaners took away the garbage. Life in the Indus Valley. People in the cities did different things. Some were traders who bought and sold things. Some were craftsmen who made pottery, cloth, beads, jewelries, statues, toys, and so on. To make some of these, they needed things like metals and precious stones. Traders brought and sold these. They also took the things made in the cities to sell them in other places. Some of them traveled by sea. The city of Lothal in Gujarat had a port. We know about the people of the Indus Valley from the ruins of their buildings and cities, and from the things we have found there. From these, we know several things about them. The ruins tells us that the Indus people were very good builders and planners. They made beautiful pottery, statues, and jewelry. This shows that they were skilled craftsmen. They used metals but not iron. Metal tools and jewelry have been found. A large number of toys, dice, and marbles have been found. This shows that the people liked to play different games. A large number of seals have also been found. Most of these are rectangular pieces of stone. Each one has a design carved on it, usually showing some animal like a bull, buffalo, tiger, or elephant. Some seals show a boat, which tells us that the Indus people were good sailors. Most seals have some writing on them, but historians have not been able to read this writing. Once the writing is understood, we'll know more about the Indus people and their lives.